Welcome, fellow horror fans and collectors, to another Toony Terrors unboxing. This is, of course, Toony Terrors by NECA, and this is Jigsaw. Found this guy at Target. This is the red version, not the deluxe version that comes with the Billy doll. It is just, Jigsaw in the pig head, in the red suit. Of course, we have our character name in lights, Jigsaw. We have the artwork on the back for the backdrop for the character, which is the scene from the first Saw movie. Basically the setting for the first Saw movie. We have Saw in lights. You can barely see. It's kind of obfuscated by the bubble. And let's get the crack in this guy open. We're not going to use Mr. Pointy for this. We're just going to rip it and tear it because we're going to throw it away. Right there, we can see Saw in lights. In the theater, we have the theater here. We have some little bits and pieces of Saw paraphernalia spread in front of the ticket booth. Awesome. Awesome. Nice little attention to detail you do not see unless you open up the box. There's a dude's foot. There's a dude's foot. Cut off. Attached to a manacle, attached to a rock. To a pipe. There is the that horrible thing that just rips your face in half. Nice. And there is a hacksaw. Yep, there we go. Hacksaw foot. Kind of rip that apart. I'm not going to say that. Bubble. Insert. Toony Terrors. Legal. Oh, wait. Also, we have the sculptor. Credit where credit's due. Now it's gone. Let's pop this off. We have an accessory here, which is him unhooded. This is just the hood folded back. Looks like nothing right now. We have the pig head mask, which looks like it's an alternate head. Of course, these guys are supposed to look like cartoons. I liken them to Scooby-Doo-esque figures because they look great with Scooby-Doo action figures. Trying to get that out there without really doing anything to it. There's the saw blade, but there's no real... We'll see when we get him out of there. That's just the blade. Or not a saw. For a knife. Bloody knife. And let's pop him out of here. Let's be careful not to cut this plastic. Let's go from the back. I don't care about this plastic. I care about his plastic. Alright, that's a very good likeness for him. Very good likeness there. So where does this go? Yeah, he's pretty much stuck in this pose. But it fits well. It's Toony. He's terrifying. But I don't know where this goes. It pegs in somewhere. But there's no pegs to peg in. There's no pegs in that hand there. Nothing there. Oh, duh. Yeah, I've totally watched these movies. A little hard to get in there. But it goes. There we go. Voila. And as we should be able to pop his head off here. Yee. Look underneath there. Like melted face. Ew, look at those ears. Let's see if we can pop this head off without really damaging him. I find twisting it backward. No. Oh, look, it's a double joint. Look over, it's gonna be 10 right now. That we pop that double joint out. So you put this on here, and that would make it look like it's folded back, or you give him a double hood. Double mystery. It's a double jointed ball joint, so we need to pop out the other side too to pop it on there. Unfortunately, it only popped out the bottom part, and I am not going to do that on camera. That's going to take way too long. A little bit of hot water and pliers to get that guy out. That's what we're going to need to do, and it's just not going to work. But you'd pop that into the bottom there. And then a pig into there to give him the pig head mask, which is probably how I'm gonna how I'll display him. I mean, I'm gonna have two versions of him, the red robe and the black robe. We'll pop that back in there. We'll take that off first. Once I get the deluxe set, because I want the Billy doll. But yeah, always use caution when assembling, disassembling. Especially your NECAs. Because the plastic they use is kind of iffy with its tolerance issues. It's collector quality, but it's not playable quality. Even that head's a little hard to get back on. Nope. There we go. That moves. Nah, I'm not going to force that shoulder. And those aren't going to force either. But yeah, pretty good figure. Fine. If you get him. If you don't, you don't. But there he is. There is Jigsaw. Big head. And there, that's the red rope. $14.99. Pretty good figure. But at this point, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you are still watching, please hit that like button and subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. I come back with videos as often as I get figures. We're waiting on some Toony Terrors to come in right now. Hopefully we get some more soon. I know the Universal Monsters are coming. And we'll see about what this line holds in the future. I always look forward to this line. It's very simple. They're more statues than anything else, but they're great. I love putting them with Scooby-Doo figures. It's just so much fun. But as always, thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.